Here's everything you need to know from India and around the world. Here, Donald Trump has urged global allies to deploy warships to secure the Strait of Hormuz amid the Iran war. The key oil route faces major disruptions, raising fears of a global energy crisis as several countries refuse military involvement. Afghanistan has accused Pakistan of carrying out an airstrike on a hospital in Kabul, killing around 200 people. The hospital was reportedly treating drug addiction patients, raising serious humanitarian concerns. A leaked audio reveals that Iran's supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei narrowly escaped a missile strike that killed his father Ali Khamenei. He reportedly stepped out just moments before the attack, though his condition remains unclear. Reports claim that Indian tourists are facing rude behavior in Vietnam, sparking a social media debate. Experts say cultural differences in tourist behavior may be contributing to the issue. A shocking video from Delhi shows a man shooting his friend in the chest in New Ashoknagar. Police have arrested the accused and are investigating the motive behind the incident. Experts had warned that Iran could target US bases and Gulf allies if the war escalated. Despite this, Donald Trump expressed surprise after retaliatory strikes hit American installations, raising fears of a wider Middle East conflict. Experts had warned that the Iran-US-Israel war is escalating with rising tensions in Dubai and Tehran. The Strait of Hormuz faces major disruption, impacting global oil supply and increasing fears of a wider Middle East conflict. The Iran Navy has deployed task forces to escort oil and gas tankers through the Strait of Hormuz amid rising Middle East tensions. The move aims to protect India's critical energy supplies and ensure safe shipping routes. The Indian Dhurandhar 2 has collected 123 crore rupees in global pre-sales ahead of its release. Due to massive demand, post-midnight shows have been added, indicating a blockbuster opening at the box office. India is facing a severe LPG shortage due to the Iran war disrupting global supply routes. Cities like Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru are witnessing major shortages, affecting households, restaurants and daily life. India is reportedly shocked during an intelligence briefing over claims related to Iran's supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei. The allegations remain unverified, while uncertainty continues over his health and public status amid the ongoing conflict. Donald Trump was the Iran war has triggered a global helium shortage, impacting medical, semiconductor and research sectors. Supply disruptions in West Asia are raising concerns over delays in critical services and industries. The Norwegian ambassador to India took his first ride on the Delhi metro and shared pictures online. She praised the system as clean and efficient, and the post quickly went viral on social media. Indian expats in the UAE are helping stranded travelers amid flight disruptions caused by the Iran war. From food and shelter to transport, the community has stepped up to support those stuck in Dubai and nearby areas. NDA has won 5 Rajya Sabha seats in Bihar, gaining a strong advantage. Several Mahagathbandhan MLAs skipped voting, raising questions over opposition unity and strategy. India has criticized a US-based body's recommendation to impose sanctions on RAW and RSS, calling it biased and lacking credible basis. The move may impact India-US diplomatic ties. Afghanistan cricketers Rashid Khan and Mohammad Nabi have condemned Pakistan's airstrikes on Kabul, calling it tragic and unjustified. Their reactions have sparked global attention and concern. Sri Lanka has announced a 4-day work week to tackle the growing fuel crisis caused by disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz. The move aims to reduce fuel consumption as shortages impact daily life. Amid the LPG shortage, the government is urging consumers to switch to PNG. gas companies are offering discounts and incentives to reduce pressure on LPG supply and improve distribution. Saudi Arabia is shifting oil exports to the Red Sea via Yanbu to bypass disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz. However, limited capacity and rising costs are worsening the global oil crisis amid the Iran war. Saudi Arabia Ricky Ponting has praised Team India, calling them the greatest T20 side ahead of IPL 2026. He highlighted their consistency, depth and strong performances in global tournaments. A new study warns that AI chatbots may contribute to psychosis and delusion in some users. Experts stress responsible use and stronger awareness as AI adoption grows. Abdur Villiers has questioned MS Dhoni's role in IPL 2026, suggesting CSK may be continuing with him for the wrong reasons. His remarks have triggered a big debate among fans. For more quick updates like this, hit like, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.